Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. I just noticed that I do this a lot when I'm recording. But, it just is what it is. Happy Saturday. It is a very rainy day. Typically on Saturdays, me and my sister go for like a walk, and we go all the way to the mall. And then we'll pick up like coffee and pastries, and then just walk around, and Francisco will meet us, and then we'll come home. But today was a very, very rainy day, so that didn't happen. Also, I'm coming out of my cold, and my sister looks like she's getting into a cold, which is not good. And then Francisco this morning decided to make us some breakfast. So, what was it? The cinnamon toast crunch pancakes or something? So basically it's just supposed to taste like cinnamon toast crunch inside a pancake. We've gotten similar ones before at like restaurants where they're supposed to be like cinnamon roll and whatever. We're always disappointed by them because they never taste quite like cinnamon. So we're hoping that these will be nice and tasty. They look really nice. He did such a good job. He made them extra ginormous for us. So these are Francisco's pancakes. How pretty did they turn out? I mean, honestly, they look kind of prettier than mine. But basically what it is, it just has like a cinnadust that's like in the pancake, and then you get the cinnamon toast crunch on top. I don't think I might be able to finish all these, by the way.
Yeah, it tastes like a cereal. Literally.
Without
like
the cereal?
It tastes like you're eating the cereal.
Yeah. But it does need the cereal though, because without the cereal, it's really the texture is pancakes. But for me, I like the cereal because it gives it a crunch.
Yeah, I agree.
Right? Without the cereal.
I got a piece without any cereal. It falls a little flat.
Mm-hmm. Like, it has a good flavor, but I feel like the cereal completes it. Without Alright, it is 2:32 and I'm making us quick lunch. Typically on the weekends I try to do like either a quick lunch or a quick dinner, and then the other one we'll eat out. So for today we're just doing a quick lunch just because it kind of got a little late. So let me show you guys what I'm making. So we have this one from Amy's. This is the pizza, the 4 cheese, and I haven't tried this one specifically, but I do like a lot of her like fast food kind of things, and they're usually more like on the healthy side. So we tried their soups and stuff, and I really like them. So we'll see how this one tastes. It looks really good. We put them in the air fryer. And then I got this one from Trader Joe's. This is the crispy vegetable pouches. I don't know if these will be good, but we will find out. And like I said, I just put them in the air fryer for like 6 minutes, and it's looking pretty good. And then in here we have these, which my sister brought us back from her work. They had like a little Christmas event and they had a taco truck, so she brought us these. So we got a pretty good amount of stuff. Alright, well, it is 12:30. We just finished watching Halloween because Francisco had been wanting to watch it for a long time. We finally did it. Today was a very, very chill day. We took a nap. So I don't know. I might put this video with tomorrow's video. We'll see. But, sometimes we just don't do a lot. And especially because it was raining, like pouring all day today. We didn't want to be out and about. So we'll see if this will be its own vlog, or maybe I'll put it together with tomorrow's Sunday's vlog. We'll see. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed it, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And that's it for this vlog. We'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog.